Start off by just kind of explaining in layman's terms why we're seeing the discrepancy between the progress that you're making with regards to the U.S. study and what we're seeing in the U.K.
Sure. So we announced a couple pieces of news today, and I think a real important announcement was the final enrollment of 15,000 plus people in the UK and 2,400 people, 4,400 people in South Africa. I think those are really great executions of clinical trials, and now we wait and collect data to see what the efficacy levels from those two trials are. So it's a really important milestone that we achieved, and the teams down there did a great job. In the U.S., the U.S. announcement was merely that we've lost, of maybe a couple of weeks or a few weeks, because what we're doing in the U.S. is we're scaling up the process so that when we get approvals, that we'll have a robust commercial scale production process, and it just takes time to get from low scale 50, 100 liter production up to 2,000 and 4,000 liter production. So we're doing that. We have to have all the assays in place. We have to have discussions with the FDA. It's going along fine. There are no roadblocks. It just takes longer.
Takes longer. For manufacturing, is it therefore, Stan? Is it that? And why did you perhaps think that it would be sooner than what it's turning out to be?
Well, we're always aggressive on our timelines and optimistic on that snafus won't occur, and so we run into things as that's never been done before. So you learn some things along the way, and that's what we're doing.
What is the level of efficacy that you would be happy with, given the 95% results from the other vaccine makers?
I think our expectation is that we'll be in that ballpark. So what you can do is you can look at, and all you can do is look at it when you try to compare across vaccines, is look at how we did in preclinical studies in non-human primates and what levels of efficacy and immunogenicity did we get. Same thing in the phase 1 trials, and our vaccine came out equal to or ahead of these vaccines. And so we stand side by side with them, and I expect that our data will be quite good.